Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to prototype an app in Figma. Prototyping allows you to connect different screens and create an interactive experience that works similar to a real application. First, open your Figma design file and make sure you have at least 2 screens or frames ready. One frame can be your home screen, and the second frame can be another screen that you want to open when a user interacts with your design. Next, select the element you want to use for navigation, such as a button or any other clickable element. Then, open the Prototype tab on the right side of the Figma interface. Now, create a connection between your first screen and the second screen. Set the interaction to navigate to the next screen when the element is clicked. This connects the 2 screens and creates the basic app prototype. Once your prototype connection is ready, click the Present or Play button to open the prototype preview. This will open your design in an interactive preview mode. As you can see, the prototype preview is now open. Here, you can test your design and interact with the different screens just like a real application. You can navigate between screens and check whether your prototype works as expected. The preview also allows you to experience how users will move through your app. You can test different screens, check your navigation, and make sure everything is connected correctly. And that's how you can create and preview a simple app prototype in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.